Good morning, it's nearly afternoon. Me and Rihanna just got back from the gym and she's now gone to the shop. Quick little intro to this vlog before she gets back. Today is literally the week of life, yeah, and I feel like when I put up asking people what kind of like festival content they wanted to see, there's a lot of like how I pack for life and stuff, and I don't think I could do a whole video on that because I think it'd be really fucking boring. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you through like my week of like life prep. Today, not really doing much. I might pick up some drink later on and that'll probably be about it. But tomorrow's kind of like my big day. I got waxed last week, so that's one bit of prep already done. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. I'm getting my hair done after work on Thursday. So yeah, and then I'll just take you through. All my outfits are organized. I just need to maybe like make sure my tent is okay. And yeah, other than that, I think I'm like pretty much all good. So yeah, I feel like I used to like really stress about packing, but now I'm just like so used to it that I just know how I'm gonna do everything. So like, yeah. I'll just take you along my week with me. It's a fun week. I have an event on tonight and I'm meeting my friend John. And then tomorrow's my birthday. Whoop whoop. We're back, everybody. Rihanna's a celebrity now.
Yeah, like I just need to get this out there. Like if you see me in public, please don't stop me because the fame is just getting out of control now. We've been mobbed in the local gym. We've been mobbed at the petrol station.
Rihanna, you know what this means though? So Rihanna, this means like now when you're in a restaurant and you like fancy the waiter, you can just have him because you're a celebrity.
But then he might make up stories about me and post all over the internet. Be sponsored for your vitamins. I don't fucking take any.
Yeah, we'll take a few vitamins. We'll endorse every vitamin company.
We get our vitamins from food. We don't need supplements.
So video's finished. It's exporting. I'm gonna get ready for this event now and then go into town because that's where it's on. I'm meeting John first. So yeah, I'm super bright. Ooh, my tan is in bits. Gross. Also shaved my legs and cut myself, so that's a good time. Help me put my mind to So Jodie's a bit upset because she's realised that we're the famous ones. So famous. I need to do my lips still, but I mean, in 2 hours I shaved my legs, cooked and ate dinner, and then got ready. So I mean, I think that was a pretty quick turnaround, except is that curry sauce? So I'm gonna do my makeup at the train. Anything to say, Rihanna?
I have a fucking toothache. The last time I went to the dentist, they told me it'd be a root canal next time I come back.
I have a mouth ulcer again. Oh my god, it's really bad. Oh no, that's just the Bonjela around it. It's actually only a teeny one, but they're so sore.
Also, my lashes are too big for these sunglasses and I can't.
Do you still have your lashes done?
No, I have lashes on.
Oh. With my boo again. You've been in 2 of my weekly vlogs.
Back again, better than ever.
We're going to the Helen Steele fashion event. But you know, wouldn't be us if we weren't having a drink before.
Oh god, no.
Not just about sport, it's about merging something that is pretty unique, and that is creating prints that make you feel good, no matter what shape or size you are, no matter what age you are, and it's about being happy in the body you're in and enjoying it and making the best.
So this is the Helen Steele post #positive vibes. So, what's your positive vibe gonna be? Oh my goodness, I don't know, so much pressure. I feel like I have so many positive vibes that I just can't choose. You need to get out the Pinterest, get the quotes. Okay. Okay, so John said, live your authentic life, honey. And I said, if you can't love yourself, how the hell are you gonna love somebody else?
Can I get an amen?
And oh, And ooh. No, okay, we just left the event. Very good event. Helen Steele, great gal.
Yes.
Great gal. We had a good time. Pretty
Gorgeous
good evening.
bits. Gorgeous
Now we're going home being sensible because John has work in the morning and I'm getting my nails done. I actually have to be up early though. You can do your own. You can do your own. It's fine. Yes. I have a mouth ulcer and I said this earlier. They don't need to know again.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I'll have to watch this.
Yeah. So nasty. I get them all the time. Okay, so this is my outfit that John made me. Look at the fanciness of this. It's in a box, all wrapped up. I'm so excited. Also, this vlog is definitely gonna be up after life, so oh my god, I'm gonna try it on. Morning, guys. It's my birthday. 23. I'm gonna open some presents now. I can't believe I got presents. I feel like I'm like 23. Do people still do that? Thank you, Mom. So I opened my presents. This is very loud. Open my presents. A girl got spoiled. Thanks, Mom.
P.S. It's Binsey Mama.
Yeah, my mom signed my card with her Instagram handle. Yeah. But my present from Rihanna is, I said I want a lift to go and get my nails done because it's an 18-minute drive or I'd have to get a train and a bus. So this is my present from Rihanna. Happy birthday. Then I won't get copyrighted. So I'm the worst YouTuber ever. I have not taken my camera out of my bag since me and Rihanna were in the car this morning.
Oh my god.
Anyways, update on my day. Busy day, hence didn't take my camera out of my car. First things first, let me show, out of my car, out of my bag. First things first, I'm gonna show you my nails by the very talented @Elaine Bespoke Nails. I post them on my Instagram so you can go see there. Also, if you wanna see, bought loads of drink for Life Festival. Yes, queen, yes.
She bought loads of drink.
And then I bought some outsider, some Mexican rice because a bitch loves this shit. And now I'm just cooking some satay. And yeah, how's my birthday been? It's been good. I'm 23 and I got last Friday in Tesco today. She looks about 4. My skin looks really good right now. So I finally tried to start packing. Yeah, so I hate packing when my room is messy, but I just feel like there's no point in tidying it because half the shit that's making it messy is shit that I need to bring to the festival. So yeah, I've just taken my sleeping bags from Electric Picnic out of here and put them in the wash. I hope the tent is going to be okay. I have no time to try and put it up and see. So I guess we're just hoping that it's going to be okay, but I'm sure it is. So yeah, I'm just going to try and pack now.
Are we doing this? Happy birthday to Jojo.
No, she's in the shower so she can fuck off.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grania. With a vegan cake. Happy birthday to you.
Well, how will I blow it out? There's so many candles.
Make a wish.
I can get.
Okay.
Would you stop the crude language?
Yes,
Okay,
disgusting, mate.
Mom, sorry, no, before the camera ran out,
The camera's on.
I was in the car with Mom.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
For me.
Happy birthday, dear Grania. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray. I need to make a wish this time because I didn't last time.
We'll make a fucking wish.
It's a big wish.
Well, blow the fucking thing out. You ain't gonna get a 6-foot boyfriend.
What? Okay, so my fam came around saying happy birthday, as you probably saw. I haven't really got that far in my packing, I've just done a bit there. I'm not gonna pack my outfits up, and my sleeping bags are still drying. So what I'm gonna do is, so I have this bag now. I have the tent in here, and then I have my alcohol in here. I need to change these to plastic bottles tomorrow, and then I'm gonna wrap them in like reusable plastic bags. I'm not bringing like disposable plastic, don't worry, like the reusable plastic ones, because I don't want them to spill. Even though they'll be in, it's shit that you have to put them in plastic bottles. I was thinking about buying maybe like 2 more of these, the ones from Pennies, so then at least I can like reuse them for water and stuff. I think I'm gonna do tomorrow, rather than buying or like, you know, emptying plastic ones. And then I just have that fur jacket in there, and then I'm just gonna pop that over until tomorrow, and then I'll finalize how that's gonna be packed. So literally in the last half an hour we got this did. My outfits are in there. I have a couple of bits to collect tomorrow. John has to give me back the pants, and there's some other bits to just pick up. All the makeup I'm bringing, all the accessories I'm bringing. I still have toiletries to pack, but I feel like you can't pack toiletries until you're done using them, and obviously it's only Wednesday today, so I probably won't pack them until tomorrow night. Was the suitcase I had earlier, and then I have my big rucksack ready to be packed here, but the sleeping bags are still drying. And also I'm probably going to try on all my outfits tomorrow night before I pack them, just with my braids to make sure I'm happy. And there's my little backpack that I'll probably bring. So yeah, I really thought I was going to be awake like super late tonight. So I'm just gonna like wash my face and do a face mask now, and then I'm gonna put some tan on. I'm gonna use Bondi Sands Dark. Kind of wish I had extra dark, but sure look. I'm gonna put some of this on my face, but I'm also gonna bring some of this just in case my tan goes rotten in places over the weekend. I'm just gonna spray this over the bad patches and like hope for the best. So yeah, the end of my birthday day. I'll be vlogging again tomorrow, even though I'm super busy. I'm in work, but I'm gonna bring my camera because I'm getting my hair done. So yeah, I'll probably chat kind of throughout the day and drifts and dabs. I can't talk, but yeah, my birthday was fun, super busy, it flew by, but I had a good day. I'm very grateful for the people around me and everyone who made me feel happy. Family came around for some drinks, had some gin, and I was absolutely spoiled. So yeah, I don't know, I'm grateful for another year, and I'm excited for what this year has to come, because I look back at where I was last year when I turned 22, and I kept being like, it's gonna be such a great year, but I was in a shitty headspace and I was so panicked about finishing college and like what was gonna come next, and I hated my job, and that probably led to a lot of the shit that kind of went on. Obviously, you know, no one can predict your mom was going to get cancer, but like my head just wasn't in the right place, and like I compare it to where I'm at this year, and I'm just like so happy and positive for the future. So I'm really excited to see what 23 has in store, and yeah, happy birthday me. And thank you to everyone who messaged me on Instagram. I'm literally still trying to get through the messages. I've been so busy all day and like running around town, and I forgot to buy so much shit, and then my phone died. I was gonna like reply to messages on the train home, and then my phone died like before I got on the train, and I was like, oh my god. And then I came home and cooked dinner, and then I had to pack, and then my family came around, and then I was just like, oh my god, literally I have so many messages and I haven't replied, and I sound like an ungrateful bitch, like, but no, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, good morning guys. Thursday, so today I'm just in work. I have loads of bits to pick up today, and then I'm getting my hair done. So I don't know, I'm hoping I'll be home at like 11, hopefully not 12, but yeah, we'll see. I look like a lunatic. I feel like we're all so tired, we've lost it.
Sorry.
We're done. Just got my hair did by the fabulous. Okay y'all, I'm home. hair is dead. I am gonna eat. Oh, I bleached my eyebrows in Christina's as well. My hair is done. Did I bring that bleach home? I fucking hope I did. Yeah, hair is done. I need to pack. It's 12:30. So I'm gonna eat now so that I have some fuel to pack, and then I need to pack. Okay, it is 20 to 2 in the morning, and I'm almost packed. I have to spray paint a hat still. You're not going to hear me. I have to spray paint a hat still, and change the bottles of my liquor. Milo got a haircut today. Say hello. Milo. 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 I don't even feel like I'm packed, but I'm going to bed now. I think everything I can do with the level of tiredness I'm at is done. So, good night. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. I just went and voted. My bag on my back. We're packing the car. My bag is on my back. And then my suitcase is here. And then I have a little bag with some gin. And then my backpack. So, very good packing by me, methinks. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut this vlog off here because, yeah, we're going, oh my god, the tan. Not good. And I've showered. Oh god. Oh well, I'll be wearing jewellery all weekend, who cares? But we're gonna go get the train and then the bus. And then we're gonna be there and I'll be after moving. I feel like I haven't really kept very up to date with this vlog all week. It's been a very hectic week, but yeah, maybe I'll like give you like an update on how everything went on Monday. So chat to you then. I bet I won't be looking as fresh.